Lifeguards hear scream from woods. What they see makes hearts drop. Three teenage lifeguards, siblings Caden and Mackenzie Ross, along with their friend Lily Ward, had just started their shift at the Pataskala Municipal Pool in Ohio when piercing screams cut through the quiet. The sound wasn't coming from the water they were trained to watch, but from the woods beyond the pool. Without hesitation, the teens sprinted toward it. 18-year-old Caden reached the South Fork Licking River first, leaping a fence and racing through nearly 150 yards of trees before spotting a desperate scene. A woman was struggling to stay above the surface of a deep swimming hole, the current pulling her down. Caden jumped in and managed to get her to safety. But relief turned to horror when the mother gasped that her young son was still beneath the water. Mackenzie and Lily held on to the distraught woman, who tried to throw herself back into the river, while Caden and a bystander plunged into the murky water to search. At last, they saw the boy's small body beneath the surface. He was pulled out, limp and unresponsive. Caden immediately began CPR as water poured from the child's mouth. Within minutes, first responders arrived and rushed both mother and son to the hospital. Against all odds, they survived and were expected to make a full recovery. The teens later said they didn't see themselves as heroes, only lifeguards who happened to be in the right place at the right time. But for the mother and her 7-year-old son, their quick response and refusal to hesitate turned what could have been a tragedy into a miracle.